Hello and welcome to the Handed Down Kitchen, where we bring recipes out of the past and back into the kitchen. Today's recipe is one from the 1970s and is for a delicious smoked haddock and cheese flan, which we found in the pages of our copy of the Complete Colour Cookbook, which was published in 1977. To make this recipe you'll need 150 millilitres of water, some salt and pepper, 2 eggs, 100 grams of cottage cheese, 25 grams of butter, a ready-made 20cm or 8-inch savoury pastry flan case, 1 tablespoonful of chopped parsley, half a lemon, 1 small onion that's been finely chopped, 6 tablespoonfuls of single cream, 50 grams of mushrooms that have been chopped, and a 225 gram fillet of smoked haddock. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit or gas mark 4. The first thing we're going to do is to poach the haddock fillet, so start by filling a shallow pan with your water and then lay your haddock into the pan. Then cut your lemon in half so you have 2/4 of a whole lemon, and juice one of these quarters straight into the pan. Depending on the thickness of your fillet, it should take about 6 to 8 minutes for it to poach. You'll know it's cooked if you try and put a skewer in the thickest part of your fillet and it goes all the way through without any resistance. Once it's done, drain the haddock and discard the skin and any bones that you find. Then, using a fork, flake the fish. Next, melt the butter in a pan. Add the onion to the butter and cook this for a couple of minutes. Add your chopped mushrooms to your butter and your onion and continue to cook for about 4 more minutes. Then mix the flaked fish into the cooked vegetables. Then spread your fish mixture over the base of your flan case and even it out. The next thing we're going to do is to make the cheesy filling. So to do this, start by beating your eggs. Add to your beaten eggs the cream, then add in the cottage cheese, then add in the juice of the remaining quarter of lemon, then stir in the chopped parsley, and finally add in some salt and pepper. Pour the cheese mixture over the haddock filling and even it out where needed. Then bake your flan in the centre of your oven for about 30 to 35 minutes until the filling has set and the top is nice and golden. And that's it. You can eat this flan cold or warm, not hot. It's light yet filling and it's packed with flavour. It's also not too difficult to transport, so you can wrap it up in a bit of foil and take it with you on a picnic or to a party. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please remember to leave us a like, and if you're interested in seeing us recreate more antique recipes from the 19th century to the 1980s, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so you'll be notified each time we have something new for you. You can also find full instructions for this recipe and many more on our website, which is linked in the description box below, as well as links to our Instagram and Pinterest accounts.